Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about PancakeSwap or Cake, so make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys are Cake holders. We talk about Cake as well as so many other altcoins daily, so make sure, like I said, to subscribe to the channel. We have some great news that I want to take a look at first. This is pretty recent. This happened at 3:47 p.m. Yesterday, I was pleased to host a meeting between Elon Musk and the leading Bitcoin miners in North America. The miners have agreed to form the Bitcoin Mining Council to promote energy usage, transparency, and accelerate sustainability initiatives worldwide. So Michael Saylor and Elon Musk talking about this. Definitely a good thing. This is definitely not a bad thing. So I do suspect that we will start to get a little bit of a part two feel to the bull run very soon, unless there is more FUD coming that we don't know about. For the most part, though, this is definitely good news. And I want to talk about PancakeSwap altogether. So PancakeSwap V2 now has over 100,000 unique LP tokens. That's a lot, and that definitely is a lot. And I want to go into details on why PancakeSwap has continued to really be a valued token and how its recovery is so substantial to the space. So its biggest burn ever actually took place at 11:50 a.m. today. This was over 5,735,000 cake burned, equivalent to 97 million USD. We bought back 8.4 million USD of cake from the market today, trading fees plus BNB from IFO, and then they talk about what else they did. Like I said, guys, this is a big deal. That's a lot of burn. And that's definitely good for cake holders. Jumping on to the next one, unfortunately, we need to wait another day on the blog release. So they had a blog that was going to release today. They are waiting because they wanted us to see certain images and they weren't uploading to Medium. So do expect to see this blog post tomorrow. It's going to be great to see this. A lot of us have been waiting on this cake blog post to see really what's going on and what they're working on, as well as some updates coming. So PancakeSwap also welcomes Chromia to the syrup pool. We've talked about Chromia on the channel before as well. It is on now in the syrup pool. We have a lot of different coins coming to the syrup pool for PancakeSwap. We won't cover them all. I just want to cover Chromia real quick, and then also Deary protocol to the syrup pool as well. So a lot of stuff taking place with PancakeSwap, a lot of good things taking place. If we take a look at the actual website, if you guys have never been to PancakeSwap, it's one of the easiest ways and cheapest, most efficient ways, trading fees wise, to really trade certain coins for coins. So you can buy, you can get a Link, you can get Ethereum, or not Ethereum, but you can get so many different coins really on BSC. And I want to really stress that it's very, very easy. If you go to the exchange, you can actually type in whatever you want. So obviously, if we type in Link, you can see there's Link there. Ethereum, there is Ethereum there. You can get really whatever you want very quickly. You can trade on and off the network. It's very, very easy to do so. Also, a lot of other stuff on the side here. So you can also see, obviously, there's trade, so LP migration. They have the exchange, liquidity. They talk about farms, polls, prediction, lottery, collectibles, team battle, team and profile, info, as well as much more. And I just realized you guys can't see all of that. Sorry about that. Let me pull it over here so you guys can see that left side now. But you guys should already know what that stuff is. If you've been to PancakeSwap, you already know what most of that stuff does. So we won't talk too much into details on that. But like I said, there's a lot here on that side to really take a look at. But let's take a look now at some more of what PancakeSwap has been doing on the chart. So a lot of movement recently. Like I said, a lot of the prices have been moving a lot recently. We saw PancakeSwap right around an $18.15 price point, ran out about a 51% increase. If you take a look at all the prices together, Bitcoin's close to 40,000 now. So that's a great look as well, as it jumped over 39,000. We are looking for hopefully a bullish run here. Hopefully everything starts to really come together. And by the time this video comes out, it looks like it'll be about an hour from now probably, so you guys will be able to see what everything's looking like kind of in advance, kind of be like in the future. But realistically, PancakeSwap's one of those coins that a lot of people are looking at. I actually sold some of my PancakeSwap, but I do expect to buy back in. Now would be a great time to do so, because I do think PancakeSwap is one of those coins that does have such good value and utility behind it. We actually saw it increase all the way up to about an 1831 and then decrease back down to about a 1792. Looking at some of these tweets, though, one of the biggest things to realize is this burn. This is one of the biggest burns ever, they said. It is the biggest burn ever for PancakeSwap, and it shows how much money and everything that is really being burned through. And they are very, very transparent about everything they do, adding this extra details at the bottom, talking about everything they do. They have proof of burn. It's just one of those things. Like I said, PancakeSwap is one of those coins that has so much utility. I trust PancakeSwap more than I almost do Uniswap. It's just honestly a great platform. Everybody uses BSC right now, so that's exactly why PancakeSwap is continuing to really have so many new people and investors interested in really what they're doing. So you can see there's so many different things and information really being tweeted about daily. If you guys want to follow them on Twitter, I definitely suggest doing so. I also want to say, guys, if you want to join a giveaway, if I go to my Twitter here and go to my profile, you can see if link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 link. So I am trying to give that 50 link away. So make sure to retweet and follow me on Twitter. It's one of those things where I definitely want to give back to you guys. Obviously, the crypto space has been kind of rough in the last couple of days and weeks. Now's probably one of the better times to do so and give back to the community. So thank you guys so much for the awesome support, getting me closer and closer to 100K subscribers. I really can't thank you guys enough, and that's why I'm doing this, quick giveaway. So definitely take advantage of this. Hopefully, either way, if it goes above $40, I'll still give it away. I'm just going to have to make another giveaway, and we will make sure that 50 link gets given away, because I have it in a separate wallet and it's ready to give away. So we are ready to give it. I also want to say, guys, there's a lot of movement, like I said, with the cryptoverse as a whole right now. And, PancakeSwap's juggling right between $17 to $18. We keep seeing a movement up and then kind of a pushback down. This is exactly what you want to see. This is a small uptrend with a great recovery in the last 24 hours. Let's say 51% increase in the last 24 hours. If we continue on this path over the next couple of weeks, we will definitely be seeing PancakeSwap back at that $40 price point yet again. There's a lot of people hoping for a lot of different things, but I'm going to go over my price predictions for May, June, and 2021. Do remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But let's jump into price predictions. So the first thing I'm going to say, we don't know what direction really the market's headed in yet. I did tweet recently about part 2 of the bull run hopefully commencing and starting up here again soon. Unfortunately, nobody really knows when that'll be, if it does have a part 2 to the actual bull run itself. But a lot of people are expecting to be just a straight up bear market, and I don't expect that. I do expect some pushback, some recovery before at least another big trend down. So I do expect PancakeSwap to get above $20 by the end of May. I think this could even happen in the next couple of hours, but realistically, I think if we could just see PancakeSwap stabilize above $20 to $25, that would be big. Going into the end of June, I think that's where we could see a pushback to close to $40. If we are entering a bull run, $35 to $40 is definitely a price target for a lot of us. A lot of us would love to see it get back to that $40 range, and I think that's definitely a reasonable, realistic prediction. Going into the end of 2021, this is where I see PancakeSwap getting closer and closer to about a $200 price point. PancakeSwap is one of those coins that is very, very undervalued at this point in time, and I think if we could get around that $150 to $200 price point, that would be a great target for a lot of us, and a lot of us would love to see that take place. With these burns, these massive burns that they're doing, and a lot of different things that they're adding to PancakeSwap's UI as a whole, is exactly what we want to see, and I think that's exactly why we're going to continue to see the utility on PancakeSwap earn this kind of higher price target. So that's all I'm going to talk about today about PancakeSwap. I think it's a coin that has great utility, and the use cases behind it are fantastic. The exchange as a whole is fantastic, so that's why I think we see great things coming. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one.